Welcome to Unlock the World, your ultimate travel guide, where every trip transforms into an adventure.
I bet you didn't know your suitcase could be this organized. Stick around for some packing hacks. First up, roll don't fold. Rolling saves space and keeps wrinkles at bay. Next, meet your new best friend, packing cubes. These little organizers are pure magic for your suitcase. Always pack a change of clothes in your carry-on. If your luggage takes a detour, you won't be stuck in yesterday's outfit. Wear your bulkiest items on the plane. Hello, extra suitcase space, and don't forget to use shower caps to cover your shoes. No one likes dirty clothes. Finally, always weigh your luggage before you leave. Avoid those nasty overweight fees. With these tricks, you'll be a packing pro in no time. Safe travels.